Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm in the kitchen because I'm going to be teaching you how to make English muffins. So without any further ado, let's get on with the video. We're going to start off with a half a cup of warm water. You can just add everything into the measuring cup. So now we're going to add 1/4 cup of cool milk. So now that we have that, we're going to put in a teaspoon of sugar and we're going to whisk that together. If you don't have a big enough measuring cup, you could just use a small bowl. Now we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of yeast, and right when you put in the yeast, you want to whisk it around for a pretty long time and make sure that it's mixed in with the rest. And it'll start bubbling up at the top. Now in a larger bowl, we're going to put 2 cups of all-purpose flour, now we're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt, mix that together. Now for the wet ingredients, we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 1 egg white, and then the mixture that we made before. And now that we have everything together, we're just going to fold it over with a spatula. Now you let that sit for about an hour and it should look like this. I'm going to spread some flour over the counter and then take out our dough onto the counter. This dough will be very sticky, so you want to spread a lot of flour on top and on the bottom of it. Now we're just going to knead it for a bit until it's nice enough to control. We're going to cut it up into 6. To cut the dough, I'm using a metal spatula, but you could use anything that's sharp enough to cut through the dough. Once you've done that, you're going to use your hands to roll out a ball. Place all your fingers on the counter and then kind of make circular motions. So if it's too sticky, add flour. If it's not sticky enough, add a little bit of water on your fingers and the counter. Once you're done, place them all in breadcrumbs. Once you're finished rolling them all out, you just take one of them and roll them in the breadcrumbs, then press it down onto a sheet of breadcrumbs. Now you can cover them with a pan, or what I used was the top of a croissant box. Now let them sit another hour. Now get a frying pan and turn it to medium-low. Then you can take either Pam or butter and coat the pan with that. Now get a metal or plastic spatula and flip the English muffin onto the pan. After frying it on each side for 7 minutes, you should get something that looks a little bit like this. Now you're ready to eat them. I popped my English muffin in the toaster, then spread some butter on it and watched it melt.